The world doesn't move because you apply. It moves because you show up. Still filling out the same forms, for the same jobs, on the same cluttered boards? Nah. Recruit Labs is built for real trade pros, HVAC techs, plumbers, electricians. Fast, simple, efficient. Recruit Labs. Cheers to the blue-collar workers. Find your job today.